So just add some ice, just chill the vodka and directly pour it in your shot glass. Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Reswell and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. If you haven't seen my previous video, check the link in the description below or you could check it somewhere up here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do lemon drop. This shot is based with vodka, lime juice and sugar. So let's get started. Take your shot glass. Make sure you give a nice sugar rim to it by adding it in the sugar rimmer. Just keep it aside. Take your shaker, add some ice. Basically, you normally have a chilled vodka. If you don't have a chilled vodka, then you just need to chill it up. And I'll be using a straight vodka. If you do have a citrus vodka, you can use a citrus vodka as well. So add about 60 ml of the vodka. Add about freshly squeezed lime juice. Just squeeze the lime. There you go. Take your bar spoon. Just give it a nice little stir. If you do shake this, it's gonna dilute it more. So just add some ice, just chill the vodka and directly pour it in your shot glass. There you go. And to complete your drink, just add a lemon wedge. Cheers. That's your lemon drop. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment if you want to see more videos or any other different videos that you want. Until then, peace and enjoy. Cheers.